For question 33, it's asking, does noise have a significant effect on job performance? So to check this, we need to go to the tests of within subjects effects table. So we're going to go down to that now, and we're going to look for the p-value or the significance value. That one is this one here. So we're going to go to noise. And we discovered in question 32 that sphericity was not violated. So that is why we go to the sphericity assumed part of this table, which is just this one here, the first one. The other ones here are just corrections for if sphericity is violated. But even if you did go to those, like, they're all the same answer because they don't need to be used in this data set because we already know that sphericity was not violated. So if we go to sphericity assumed and go over to significance, which we know now means the p-value, which is the probability of a result happening just by chance. If p is below 0.05, it's significant, and if p is above 0.05, it's not significant. Or in this case, SPSS labels the p-value as significance. If the significance is below 0.05, it's significant, and if it's not below, if it's above, 0.05, then it's not significant. So if we go back over to here and go sphericity assumed, and it's less than 0.001, which is very small, that means that it is significant because the probability of result happening by chance is less than 0.001. So that means that the results that we got were significant because the chance of it happening by chance are so small. So the answer to question 33 is just significant, and I'll show you now the options for these answers. So you can see from this question there's also significant after correction for sphericity violations. We haven't done any corrections for sphericity violations because obviously we checked were they violated and they're not. So then the answer to 33 is just significant.